Now area of triangle BEC. Look at there. Now we have to find area of this triangle. So area of triangle BEC, area of triangle BEC. Okay, 1 by 2 base into height. Same formula used, 1 by 2. Now look at the diagram. What is base? Let's take BE is base and this is height because this is also right angle. So 8 into 10. 8 into 10. Clear everyone? Clear?
Yes.
Now 2
Yes,
4s
sir,
are
clear.
8. Now this gives us 10 4s are 40 centimeter square. Clear everyone?
Yes, so clear.
Yes, sir.
Now area of side. Now we have find all area of rectangle and area of both triangles. Now we will add them. Area of rectangle, this one, and subtract from this answer. Area, now this triangle we have to add in this triangle. Area we have to add, then after subtract from this answer. So now area of shaded region. How to solve now? Area of shaded region now. Area of shaded region is equals to given by area of rectangle minus area of triangle, area of triangle AEF, this triangle. Okay, so area of triangle AEF plus area of triangle PEC. क्या करोगे आप? इन दोनों को ऐड कर लो. दैट मीन्स द थिंग, पहले ऐड करो या बाद में सेपरेट करो या सीधे कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. सो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दैट विल बी 180 and area of AEF that will be 30. That is 30 and this is 40. Okay class. Now 180 minus 70. This is 30 plus 70. 30 plus 40 will be 70. Now the final answer will be 110 centimeter square. Now note down this thing everyone please.
Done, sir.
Please tell me this question. Firstly note it down, then I will revise this question one more time to you everyone. Don't worry. If required, I will send you this recording to you in the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have required the audio, means the video recording of this lecture, I will send it to you. Okay, because every day I am recording my lectures, so whenever the required class lectures recording, you will tell me, I will send it to you personally. Now look at this question. I will repeat it again. Firstly, you have to find area of rectangle ABCD. So that will be 180 centimeter square. Okay class. Okay. ABCD beta RN. ABCD. What is that? Who is trying to write? Now area of triangle AEF. AEF हम क्या निकालेंगे? इसका निकालेंगे, फिर इसका निकालेंगे. So area of triangle AEF and area of triangle BEC. So area of triangle हम लोग जानते हैं फॉर्मूला 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट. बेस क्या है हमारा 6 है, हाइट क्या है हमारी 10 है. So 2 से कैंसिल किया, 2 3 are 6, 10 3 are 30. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now area of triangle BEC 1/2 base into height. So 1/2. To whom my voice is breaking? Someone written me in the chat box. I don't know who's that writing that.
No, sir. Your voice is coming clearly.
If my voice is coming, that means that from here there is no problem. Problem from your side, beta. Please look at in this matter. What is the problem? My voice is breaking or not? Because for everyone, my voice is breaking, so it is from problem from here. Otherwise, your problem. Now, we have to find area of shaded region. So area of rectangle minus the sum of the area of rectangle, this one, and area of this one. That's why I'm using here brackets, because I'm adding firstly this one, then subtracting. 30 plus 40, 70, 180 minus 70, that will be 110. It is clear. This is final answer. It is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Now the last question of this exercise we will discuss, and your periodic test 2 syllabus will also be completed today. So question number 11. Okay. Fine. No. I think second part you can do yourself. 10 second part सेकेंड पार्ट आप लोग खुद करिएगा 10th का बेटा, वो हम नहीं बताने वाले, आप लोग खुद करिए। सेम क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही है। क्या करना है, पहले स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड करना, फिर 3 ट्राइंगल्स से बने हुए 3 ट्राइंगल्स। यू कैन फाइंड 3 ट्राइंगल्स एरिया, देन ऐड देम 3 ट्राइंगल्स एरिया, सबट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, यू विल गेट द आंसर। देखो 10th के सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या करना है मैं आपको ओरली बता देता हूँ। फर्स्टली फाइंड area of square. Okay, find area of square. फर्स्टली पहले ये, फिर दूसरे स्टेप बी स्टेप, दूसरे स्टेप में फाइंड व्हाट हैपेंड उत्कर्ष पाटिल, फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ऑल 3 triangles. Okay, and then after add it, means find sum of all triangles area. ओके, ट्राइंगल्स एरिया। ठीक है बेटा, सेकंड पार्ट में क्या करना है, पहले एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, फिर तीनों ट्राइंगल्स के एरिया निकाल लेना, सेम फॉर्मूले से 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट से, फिर तीनों को ऐड कर लेना। फिर क्या करना, सी पार्ट में मतलब थर्ड पार्ट में एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन लिखोगे, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन। ठीक है, एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर। Write down, note down hint this one, how to do. Area of square minus sum of area of triangles. Sum of area of triangles. Clear this question beta, second part also. This is the hint, you cannot note, you may note it down this hint and do the sum at your home. Hint is clear to everyone beta? Hint is clear to everyone? Okay, have you completed hint? नोट कर लो हिंट, घर में याद रहेगा क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, नहीं भूल जाओगे बच्चों। क्लास 7th I am audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this hint for second question,
Yes,
second part
sir.
of question number 10, clear to everyone?
It's clear, sir.
Now question number 11. Look at the diagram. Question number 11 is very important for your periodic test too. Everyone already got the syllabus of periodic test 2 and that's it. And from today, means from tomorrow, we will revise our syllabus. Firstly, we will revise syllabus rational number. Okay, this chapter, because this chapter is fresh right now, perimeter and area, so we will revise this chapter at last. Because rational number and one chapters, that will be which one? Triangles. No, firstly we will revise triangles chapter. Firstly we will revise triangle, then we will revise rational number, then we will revise perimeter and area. ठीक है बच्चों? So from tomorrow we will revise our syllabus. So get ready for your revision classes from tomorrow. Your syllabus will be completed today. Don't worry. This is D, and this is N. This is a height actually, height of this triangle, and this is the height of this triangle, and this is what 3 centimeter. No. Yes, 3 centimeter. This is also 3 centimeter. AC will be 22. Look, this question is very important, beta. This whole side will be 22 centimeter. BM is 3 and DN is 3. That means this height will be same for both triangles. Clear है सभी को इतना? Clear है सभी को? So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So how to find area of triangle ABCD? Firstly we will find area of triangle both. Which one? ABC and ADC. Then we will add them. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no?
It's clear, sir.
Area of rectangle ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. It is clear to everyone or not, beta? Please tell me.
It's clear, sir.
Now, look, area of triangle ABC 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height, and for second one 1 by 2 means AD base into height. This one, this formula will be used same. Clear, beta? Clear or not? Now I am erasing this part because this is the part of last question. चलो अब आगे सॉल्व करते हैं हम लोग. Now after this step you have to do from here 1 by 2. What is the base of triangle ABC? What is the base of triangle ABC? That will be AC. AC. And what is the height of this one? That will be BM. Okay, that will be BM plus 1 by 2 area of triangle ADC. ADC, this one below triangle, the base will remain same. Base will remain same, but height will be changed. Is it clear this step, beta, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now put down the values of all. AC that will be given to us, that will be 22. Here AC, write down AC is 22. AC is 22. PM is 3 and DN is 3. All are in centimeter. All are in centimeter. So BM is equals to 3 plus sign 1 by 2. A plus sign will be there. 1 by 2 AC will be same 22 and DN will be same, and that will be 3. Okay. So now solve this one. 2 से कट जाएगा आपका. This will be cancel out. So now 11 CR 33, and here the things are same यानी कि. So that will be 66 centimeter square. This is your final answer. Is it clear to everyone or not? Is it clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay, note down. Now come on everyone, video beta, those who are there online, please, your syllabus now, your periodic test 2 syllabus done, PT 2 syllabus done. Okay, okay class. Okay everyone, this exercise is very important for your periodic test too, because so many questions from this exercise. And this exercise, if you from your side required, I will again repeat this exercise, don't worry, but in the revision, when we are going to revision. So now everyone come on video beta, please. Everyone come on video, I want to discuss something. Everyone, those who are from 7th Azad, those who are from 7th Bhagat, but right now your class name will be changed. Please everyone come on video. Bhai, Vinil, Utkars, Sahil, Nikhil, only 1 or 2 students from 7th Bhagat, rest are from 7th Azad. I don't know what is the problem with 7th Bhagat students. The time is getting running out. So okay, from tomorrow we will revise your syllabus. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we will discuss chapter number, which one? Triangle and its properties. Tomorrow we will discuss triangle and its properties. Okay, okay Athar Deshmukh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now good, bye everyone, and again happy new year everyone. See you tomorrow. Okay, okay everyone, now see you tomorrow.